Hello, good morning. It's another rainy day, but I'm excited to come your way again today, the 28th of March, to remind you that tomorrow, the 29th of March, which is a Wednesday, is the day we are having our Pat on the Back celebration, a day set aside to celebrate women in the month of March. For us here at Skilled Hands Organization, we are celebrating women on the 29th, which is tomorrow, at the Mary Potter Children's Center on the first floor, room 5. Come along if you live in Nottingham. There is no criteria to this, as I've said earlier. Everyone is invited. The time is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. There'll be loads of crafts going around, bag making, embroidery with Mary Brodo. We have a talk by Emily from Living Without Abuse, and there'll be other craft sessions like jewelry making, bag making. We will have a representative from Sostran coming in to talk to us about their new project which they are doing on the 1st of April, which is a walk around the town. You'll be walking with them to get to know about your community, where you live in. And I think there is more to that as well, but the representative will be talking about it. If you're somebody who loves to take a walk around for your health, this is a great opportunity. There'll be tombola, there'll be refreshments, and lots of lovely activities. I can't wait, and I believe you can't wait either. Looking forward to meeting you all. So come along and let's make memories. Have a brilliant day. Take care. Stay safe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.